Welcome to Vikas Handlooms Pochampalli. We are manufacturing of ikat silk sarees lehengas. Today specially I am introducing all varieties of designer sarees and price is depends upon designs. Please watching our videos. This is pallu with temple design with jari with red combination. This is blouse with red combination with jari. In blouse you can see two types of jari in two borders. And this is a complete saree. It's a rare combination. Half white with black and red combination. Middle of the saree is cream, completely plain with jari, two types of jari, and in bottom you can see with elephants and parrot design. Parrot with bottle green with yellow combination, elephant with multicolor with white combination. This saree cost is 9,500. This is pallu with maroon shade with temple design with jari lines. This is blouse with red combination, and this is a complete saree with a half white with black and red combination with temple design. Up design you can see with temple design with black combination with jari. Middle of the saree color is half white with plain design, and bottom is jari with red design with temple design, and this saree cost is 8,500. It's a rare combination. And this is one more design. It's pink shade with temple design with jari, and this is blouse with plain pink color combination, and middle of the saree is completely yellow with pink combination, mustard yellow with design with dots. In border you can see with parrot design with bottle green color. You can see the complete saree. This saree cost is 8,500. This is pallu completely with jari with maroon shade. This is blouse with pink combination. This is a complete saree. It's 3D color. You can see with plain design with royal blue. Middle of the saree you can see with dots with blue combination, and bottom you can see with lotus design with jari border. This saree cost is 8,500. And this is one more design with Rajasthan design. It's Rajasthan pallu. This is blouse. Blouse in pink color combination. Saree with purple and pink combination. Middle of the saree you can see with dots with white combination. Bottom you can see with elephant design with tissue. It's a rare combination. We are having a website on the name of Vikas Handlooms. Our website is www.vikashandlooms, and our contact number is 99 and we are having all over India shipping and abroad. This is pallu with patola design. This is blouse also same as shown as a pallu. It's pallu blouse design. And this is a complete saree with red and bottle green and yellow combination. Middle of the saree you can see with the design with brown dots, bottle green dots with white combination, and bottom you can see with lines with yellow and green combination, and bottom you can see bottle green with peacocks combination. It's a red design. You can see the complete saree. This saree cost is 8,500. And this is one more design with Rajasthan pallu. This is blouse with pink combination. And this is complete saree with bottle green with pink combination. Middle of the saree you can see with two color combinations with two designs. One is with pink combination, one is with green and white combination, and bottom you can see with green and white combination elephants. This saree cost is also 8,500. And this is very special design saree. This is pallu, patola pallu, and this is blouse as same as pallu, patola pallu. And this is the complete saree with copper sulphate with white and blue combination with pink combination. This saree cost is 8,500. And this is very special design. It's look very pretty and rich look. This is pallu. In pallu you can see with peacocks with two types of design with red and green combination with black pallu. And this is blouse with jari. Up also you can see jari, and down also you can see with jari. And this is a complete saree with copper sulphate with black combination. Middle of the saree you can see with white dots. This saree is named as Martas. It's very special design. And this saree cost is 9,500. We are having a color options in the same design. It looks very pretty and rich look. You can see the complete saree. And this is one more design with a Rajasthan pallu with red and green combination. And this is blouse. Blouse is also pallu. Pallu as shown in the same design with Rajasthan. And this middle of the saree is green with red combination. Middle of the saree you can see with white dots, and bottom you can see with Rajasthan design. This saree cost is 9,500. Thank you for watching our videos.